I did mechanical engineering. I remember before I came to school, I had this exciting feeling that I was going to do more practical work. Unfortunately for me and my colleagues, it was basically theory throughout the 4 years. When I was in SHS, I had the opportunity to do robotics in Prempeh College. With that mindset, once you're done with school, you can actually set up a space. That's how come the name is Asah Maker Space, where makers can come here and be creative and can be able to build their innovative ideas. We don't have the necessary equipment in terms of robots, in terms of the parts, to do the practical sessions in the classroom. We built our own robots in-house. That way we're able to get more students to have more equipment to then do the practical side of robotics. And RAF 1.0 is simply a first trainer robot that enables you to do obstacle avoidance. Your first entry into robotics and STEM education is what you need RAF 1.0 for. We do a lot of abstract and cramming work in our education system. When it gets to examination, you don't have to try to remember it. But that same student has used that to program his robot to perform a task. The student is no longer going to forget it. What motivated us to apply for the MasterCard Foundation EdTech Fellowship Program Cohort 2 was because we realized that we can tap into the large pool of resources that MasterCard and Foundation provides to increase our resources to get more reach, especially into the public schools. Before the program, we've been able to scale up, get to over 10,000 plus students across the country. With the support coming from the program, we'll be able to get to more students in the villages, even in the cities, to partake in STEM education and robotics. Our biggest challenge is administrative side in terms of the marketing, client reach, communication, grants, to be able to scale up to where we really want to. Currently, the Makerspace has been able to train 10,000 plus students. We have an aim to get to all the 16 regions in the country by taking our robots there and by taking our STEM education initiative also to these regions.